Hi, I'm Karen for Expert Village. Now we're going to sew our bear body together. First I want to slice a hole in the back that we're going to use for the stuffing. So take the back bear section, this is the front bear section, is the one we embroidered on. The back bear section is plain, and just fold it in half and slice about an inch into there. So you have a 2-inch slice in the back, and that's what we'll use that hole for when we want to stuff the bear. Now look for the outside of the fabric. This fabric does have an inside and an outside. And we want to put the bears together, the bear sections together, with the outside facing each other. So I have the insides of the bear facing on the outside, and they call this right sides together. So this is the right side of the bear, and this is the right side of the back of the bear, and we'll sandwich them together like that. And just match it up the best you can, and we'll use a few pins to hold it in place. And then we'll put it onto the sewing machine and sew all the way around the whole bear. Now if you don't have a sewing machine, you can do this by hand. You would just do a simple stitch all the way around the bear. We're going to be using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. You don't need a big seam allowance here. So just 1/4 inch from the edge of the fabric. And I'm just going to put in lots of pins so that it holds together nicely in place as I'm sewing. If you don't use enough pins, the fabric can shift while you're sewing, and it just isn't as neat.